Carmi today. We got the homie Jimmy, my GTR. All the homies are here. No, wait.
Wait for like 15 minutes and we're leaving.
I know. It is freezing today, guys. It was actually raining, and on the way over here, I was legit drifting my GTR on.
Yes. Tripping, bro.
I want to do a video of me trying to drift this thing. Bro, I went through a puddle, and I literally took the traction off, and I was sliding it. It was crazy.
You said that she wants to swing it.
For real?
Yeah, tell me.
So we're going to see the vet drift today. Jimmy, I heard you're drifting the vet today?
Oh, yeah,
But yeah, on the way over here, I found like a puddle, guys, because it's been raining all morning. It finally stopped, but I went to a puddle on these Mickey Thompsons, and I was sliding like crazy. I was legit drifting the GTR. It was crazy. Legit drifting the GTR.
It was cool.
Look at the tires.
Freezing. Can we go inside?
Let's go.
That's how you come? Cancel this side?
Oh, he's wearing Balenciaga, bro. I forgot.
She's wearing Balenciaga.
You're canceled, bro. Yeah, guys, we made it to this Carmi. It's actually at the Barracks skate park. You guys have probably seen this if you're into skating. I've never been here, but we're about to see it right now. The whole skate park in there. It's probably super loud in here. Yep, there's music going, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm going to have to talk loud. But look, there's a bunch of cars. It's actually a Mercedes Carmi, if you can't tell already. The Hala Mercedes. Man, these shits are sick. You gotta skate. Steve, come on, bro. You're gonna see Brian Steve skate today. Now look at all these G-Wagons, guys. They're literally parked on the ramp, the skateboarding ramp. This is crazy, bro. What the heck? Motorphone wheels? That's hard. Then we got all these old school Mercedes. These are so clean, bro. They're crazy. Clean, bro. TEs hard. Oh my god, TEs on the Mercedes. That's fire. Literally a Carmi in a skate park. Like what? That's so sick. I want to put my car in here.
Imagine a board hitting your car.
That's the only thing, guys. Like, what if one of the boards just goes flying into one of these
down
cars?
into the skateboard.
No, you won't.
I swear.
No, you won't. You got
It
it.
slips and the board hits the wheels.
I've never been a skater, guys. I can't skate. Oh! But this would be sick on a bike. I know. Oh yeah, on a bike will be kind of scary too.
Hey, do like those tire slides? It's really outside,
You know,
but
it's so
inside.
scary. I know. Oh!
Skate park.
Look at this thing, guys. Woo! James DCT, wide body, Liberty Watch. It's fire. We're gonna see Hugo skate today too, guys. Just do one trick, bro, in here. Come on! Do something.
Go over there. Go down the ramp right there while homies do it. Do it. You look like a skater, bro.
Look like a skater?
I swear. You gotta learn how to pick it up. Pick it up. He's gonna eat it, bro. Look. Oh! There's no way. Bro, you look like a skater, bro. I
am
swear.
a skater. Alright, Brian's a real skater here. Let's see what he can do.
He's trying to do a tray flip to a nose manual.
Bro, this reminds me of like the Fantasy Factory, bro. Imagine having this and we're all kidding. Oh!
That was him.
TEs on a Mercedes, I feel like you don't really see that. It's fire, bro. On bags too. One of these boards is gonna hit one of these cars, watch. Look at Steve. Oh! Hi.
Good, man.
It's really crazy. Oh! So clean, guys. Oh! I'd be so scared to skate around it. It's too nice, bro. It's so crazy, bro. The red is beautiful, bro. That makes me want to revamp my GTR red. Yeah, same one that Gustavo had. Should we do this back on the GTR, guys? Here, Liberty Walk, BBS wheels, big swing. This is it. Ah! All right, we're back outside. GT3. This thing is super nice. Sheesh. I love these cars. Bro, this is bad. So what the heck? The new Broncos? It has all carbon fiber everything. carbon fiber fenders, Sparko seats.
He really did that to one of them.
That's sick, bro. Oh my god, bro. This is so clean. What, Hugo?
Bro, this is literally perfect. I am selling it.
Selling United
I'm selling it
too,
right
and
now,
you
bro.
start buying some mods. And me, I need to sell a GTR too.
It's just so perfect.
Yeah, bro, this is insane. I love it with no wing, bro. Look at no wing. Yeah, guys, it really has a cage in it. This is exactly what I'm gonna do to mine. I swear to God, I'm gonna put the same cage in it. Bro, I'm doing the cage if I get it, for sure.
Yeah.
I miss my M3, guys, but I'm telling you, we're gonna get an F80 soon, and it's gonna look very, very similar to this one. This one's so clean, though. These seats are sick because they have like holes in them. You can see through the seats. Look at that. It's just bad.
It's so sick, bro.
This is for sure one of the cleanest
It's us.
M3s. I hope this is fire. Corvette on BBS's. This is bad, bro. Sheesh. I want one of these, guys. I've always wanted a Corvette. This year for sure is the one I want. C7, bro. God damn, that shit's bad. I think it's cam too. That sounds crazy when it's on. 350Z. Nice. And 240's fire, bro. This color is so sick. This looks like that Millennium Jade. Literally, bro. I want to do this color on the GTR, guys. Damn, it is sick. It's fire. It's too clean. I'm scared to do it. You do it. Bro, that flame?
Dude, that flame was like,
You can literally feel the heat on.
Dude,
that shit low-key made us warmer.
bro, I could look at that all day. Damn, look at the flex on there.
Must be nice. Bro, this Lambo sounds so crazy. It's actually TJ Hunt. Yeah, same inventor, yeah. You want from TJ Hunt to Sammy. Bro, what's up? That is way too many flames. Damn, guys, look what just pulled up. It literally is like the Fast and Furious one, bro. God damn, I have not seen this yet, but I've seen it all over Instagram. RX7 with the Veilside, right? Is that how you say it? Wow, but crazy. Man, that's valves, bro. Woo! You better die on the fuel.
I like the kid.
Literally sounds like gunshots, bro. That's crazy. It's like super rare, right?
Dude, it's only 1 of 9, bro.
1 of 9 in the world?
Yeah.
God damn. Doesn't TJ have one? 1 of 9, bro, in the world, I guess. With the body kit, I think? I don't know, but that is crazy.
Veilside kit?
Shit, Fast and Furious. Tokyo Drift. Well, we got this to shoot flames. We got this to shoot flames.
Yeah, and we got you to shoot
And we got
flames.
me to shoot them.
That's right.
Who's gonna blow their engine first? I'm just kidding. Both of these guys shoot crazy flames, so I'm sure it'll be lit. I missed it. That feels like a red line. Rx7's legit on fire, bro. Look at it. It just shoots flames the whole time.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
I feel like I'm Fast and Furious.
It just sounds crazy.
Look at this, guys. Taking over the gas station real quick. Sheesh, the cars look crazy. The Lambo's just insane. Like, if I had a Lambo, an Aventador, it'd probably be very, very similar. Nardo gray or satin black or something with a carbon lip, carbon wing, black wheels. Like, this is just perfect, bro. The wrap looks crazy right now. My car's actually clean for once, finally. And then the insane freaking RX-7. It sounds sick, bro. Look at the little wastegate. Let's just shooting flames up that and the back.
Let's go shoot some flames on 6th Street Bridge.
That's pretty much all there is to do tonight. Make some flames.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Let's get it.
It sounds crazy. Oh!
The Chazmobile. I think no.
Right in front of you.
Oh, it's fun. I thought there was one behind us too. It's actually shooting flames. Bro, please tell me you got a shot of all of us shooting flames.
I did. I'm gonna send that to you right now. Bro,
I'm gonna throw that clip in right here, guys.
there's no way this is happening right now, dude. Oh my god.
Get closer, get closer. That was insane.
Like, it was so hard for us not to like
Crash? All of us were shooting flames, guys, in a row. It was crazy. Damn, look how David's getting out. Sheesh. You don't want to drive in a Nissan anymore or what? Look at that, bro.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Look at that, bro. Dude, they're all in at one time. But you gotta post that clip. That shit is sick. Look at the flames.
Dude,
bro.
I don't even know, dude. You guys were doing that like the whole freeway, and then all the cars just backed off.
I just saw that girl in the Mercedes. She was like, damn, hit the gas.
Alright guys, well I haven't been doing the best at vlogging, but we just got some food. Now we're just chilling pretty much. It's been pretty much a chill day, a very chill day. I told you guys these daily vlogs, some of them might not be that entertaining, but I'm trying to daily vlog for you guys. And not every day is entertaining, you know? But hey, at least we got to see a bunch of flames today. That thing spits crazy flames, the Lambo spits crazy flames, my car spits crazy flames. So it wasn't like a horrible day, we just pretty much just chilled.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.